Attention all Amazon sellers. Are you tired of battling frustrating obstacles that threaten your success? Well, today we have an incredible success story that will leave you inspired and eager to take action. Meet Corinne Raudiola, an Amazon seller who faced a daunting challenge that almost crushed her spirits. A utility patent complaint was filed against her product, putting it at risk of being taken down. Can you imagine the frustration? Now, if you're an Amazon seller, I bet you've faced your fair share of obstacles that made you want to throw in the towel. But wait, there's hope. Corinne's story will show you that there's a powerful ally ready to fight for you. Introducing Amazon Seller's Lawyer, the ultimate defenders of your Amazon success. When Karen reached out to them, she was at the end of her rope, battling with Amazon through various channels for months. But hold on tight, because Amazon Seller's Lawyer had a team ready to take on the challenge. Even though it was late on a Friday night, Marisol Lake, a dedicated member of the team, took the time to listen to Karen's situation in depth, despite it being after hours. But that's just the beginning. Declan, armed with his extensive knowledge of the Amazon universe, crafted a compelling appeal to Amazon with precision and clarity. They knew exactly how to speak Amazonian, and within days they had resolved the utility patent complaint and reactivated her product. Karen couldn't be happier with the exceptional service she received from Amazon Seller's Lawyer. They were her saving grace, and now she wants to spread the word to all Amazon sellers facing challenges. So, dear viewers, if you're an Amazon seller facing roadblocks, don't let frustration hold you back. Take a cue from Corinne's incredible experience and reach out to AmazonSellersLawyer.com. They have the knowledge, dedication, and relentless spirit to fight for your success. Remember, fellow Amazon sellers, you don't have to face these challenges alone. Trust the guidance at Amazon Seller's Lawyer and reclaim your path to success. Take that first step, make the call, and let them turn your obstacles into triumphs.